Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. This one's all about we're changing the standard exhaust to an Arrow slip-on exhaust, not a full system, but it still will give it a lot nicer note. I'll give you a quick listen to it at the moment. This is the sound of the standard exhaust. I'll give you a quick couple of revs. Then we'll go to the new Arrow exhaust. One thing too guys, there's two type of Arrow exhaust. There's two codes. This one that has the full hole in the center, and then there's another one that's got two small pipes. That one doesn't produce the same sort of sound as this one. This is the more performance pipe, so make sure that you get the right one, because otherwise you won't be happy with it. These are worth about $1,100, say $1,000, anywhere from $1,025 right up to $1,050, depending on where you buy them. Righto guys, stay tuned and I'll give you a listen when it's done. It's to undo everything, and there's the pipe there. The exhaust is here, the standard one, and there is the new one that we're going to put in now. Hey guys, she's all done. I'd say the hardest part of it was just putting this little bracket on, because it's got two little hooks there that you just slide this on, then you've only got the one screw there. But you've got to line them up first, slide it on, and then always use Loctite on these screws guys, or they'll come off. And also wipe fully down the exhaust before you start the bike with some sort of cleaner that you've got. I'll use F11, but the way to do it, disconnect your other one, take it off, undo this bolt, disconnect everything, undo the bolt. Simple to put the new one on, put the bolt on. But before you do that guys, there is a little nylon type of washer there. You just see it hanging out a little bit where my finger is. That there, you've got to slip on to this pipe first and then slide it on the exhaust. It's a little bit tricky with this here, but you can definitely get it. Don't force it, just jiggle it a little bit and it'll slide on, and then it'll fit on, and that'll stop it from leaking. You can see it just there at the back. That'll stop it from leaking. A little bit of smoke's that just bedding in. Make sure your bolts are really tight. It has to go upways, otherwise the thread will hit. And that's about it. Make sure it's all clean. I put the old exhaust back into the box that the Arrow come in, and it's just a basic tool set that I used. Realistically, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's 4. Anyone can do it. I always run the bike to let the ECU just adjust to the new exhaust, and away we go. It's been running for a little while. What I do is rev it at all different revs up to about 3, 4.5, and then back off. Just do that a few times and let the bike run. I switch it off and let it sit, then start it back up, let all the ignition come on, start it back up, and away we go. but this will give you a listen to the difference. Awesome. There's another video coming up too, guys, on the steg pegs. Stay tuned for that. I've been the guinea pig for all of you guys, and they've made up the steg pegs for them. Don't forget, tape the whole box up so no moisture or air or anything comes in. Put it back into the plastic bag that this one comes in. Put it all back together, tape everything up. You can see I've taped even the edges and everything, so no air can get in at all. Righto guys, thanks for tuning in again, and I'll see you on the next video.